Alright, what's up everybody? I'm back and we've got to do a little tutorial. We're gonna do something cool. People have been asking me to do different things. I got one of my boys right here. We grew up with each other since we was like 4 years old. I'm gonna bar him up one time. Let's do it. So we're gonna take some off the top or just taper the sides?
No, it's pretty much just the sides. Okay. Yeah, so that was you, the second video you just recently sent me?
What you want to do is you want to saturate the hair. We're going to set our first guideline and bald it out. We're going to use the balders. We're going to have that guideline. And we're going to flick out. So you're gonna set your second guideline, which is the no guard open. Let's see if I got it in. And what you're gonna wanna do is just flick out. You gotta remember to use the corners too, especially with these small tapers. We're gonna go with the one guard closed. Let's set our second guideline. The 1/2, we're gonna get that one line by going up to the line and running it. His hair goes to the right, so you have to hit it going the opposite way. Close it little by little. I'm gonna lighten it up just a little bit with the teeth. Once you get that one guideline, you're gonna wanna use the 1.5 and section off the next guideline. The one open is gonna get that line out. The 1/2, I'm gonna lightly get that line out. Don't be scared to use your tools. If the hair is too long, hold it back. I use a 2 guard to set my next guideline. What you're gonna want to do is gonna use the 1.5 open and flick out. I'm gonna use the 3 to take that excess bulk. If you use the 3 guard, you're gonna have to use the 2 open to get that next guideline out. All I'm doing is just lining it up. All I'm doing right now is just cleaning the outside of the ear so it looks like a more clean cut. Remember to use the corner. Always fold the ear. I know some barbers that can really just go around without folding the ear. I can't do that. Oh, then line up the corner. I still see a little dark mark, so I'll use my 1.5 open and just flick out. Now since we cut this, we have to blend this little section. Let's section it off. And go higher little by little and see that next guideline. A bigger tip you can do is clipper over comb to get some of that annoying hair out the way. We're gonna focus on the beard. All he wants to do is just to shape it again. So we're not gonna take any of the bulk off. We're gonna start by setting our first guideline, which is the no guard open. And we're gonna close it little by little while we go up. Once we finish doing that, we're gonna set our next guideline, which is the one closed. And that half is gonna get that line out. Remember to run through that line and keep going higher and higher. After you finish that step, we're gonna move on to the 1/2. Once it gets a little darker, I like just using the corners. It really softens it up instead of making big lines and indentations. You gotta get the beard nice and crispy, super straight. We'll make it as full as possible. I know some people like it more angled. Me personally, I prefer going straight and then round at the corner. To me, when you have a full beard, it gives it more of a better look. Barbers Avenue.
This guy. Do you have that one side too where you, like, I don't know if it happens to you, but my hair goes to the fucking right on my right side?
My left side goes to the right.
Instead of going down? Like that, if you look at this side goes down.
We're gonna line him up. Look up for me, bro. Let's set our first guideline.
Because I work for this hotel, but the owner took the whole.
Oh, you can get one? Oh, hey. Especially you should have.
Get the one all the way closed. That's our next guideline. We're gonna get that line out with the 1/2 open and start flicking out.
My boy, it's been like 6 years since you've been cutting.
For the license here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna set the 1.5. We're gonna set our next guideline. Yeah, about. And all we're doing is with the one open and softening up that line. Use the 2.
Remember when you ate? Jesus. You couldn't eat food. By yourself.
Use the 1.5 to Get that tool guard line out. This side looks like there's more bulk, so we're gonna take just a little bit off from the top. Alright, let's line up the back of his neck. Hold the ear so we can go around. Use the corner to go around the cheek. Always brush the hair the direction it goes so you can get all the little excess hairs out. Cheers. Cheers, my boy. Then get the half guard open, flick out. Or the no guard, and flick out. Use the one, close it, and then use the half guard to get that line out. We use the 1.5, soften up the line. All we're gonna do is just straight razor everything in.
Hell yeah.
What's up, guys? I'm back. Oh, boom. It's the end of the day. I finished cutting his hair, doing a tutorial. I'm done cutting for the rest of the day. Let me see if you can see it. Yeah, I was going in today back to back. I'm happy how this video is coming out, but I just want to say thank you guys. Remember to subscribe, follow, like, give a thumbs up. Barbers Ave is on TikTok, so it's TikTok Barbers Ave. Ezzy's also doing hers. Is Ezzy. We'll put it down here. She's the one that edits all my videos, so thank you. Actually, I have to FaceTime her right now. Let's see if she answers.
Mommy was happy at the house, and guess what?
What?
I made good decisions at the house because I was being nice to Kathy before a shower because I was going to shower, but I was making sure that she had to go potty, and I was making good rules at school.
Good job. Where are you guys right now?
We're just driving back and dropping off Kathy.
Okay, so you guys will be back in where we live in a few minutes.
Where are you going?
Okay. Well, you guys want to say? You guys want to?
Hey, YouTube. Hi.
You guys want to close off with me?
Yep. Yeah.
All right. How do we do this? This way. Boom. All right, guys. I'm out. I'm gonna post this. You guys are gonna see it.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Bye.
There you guys go. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. Love you.
Bye.
All right, yeah, guys, and that's it. I'm probably gonna play him a game of pool real quick. Ooh, shout out to Panchis too. He cut me. We did a little TikTok with it, so that's gonna be coming soon. And you know, stay tuned. Let me know what you guys think.